What's up, guys? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, I want to do a quick update for you guys on GotBackup. But before we get into that, make sure you go to the link in the description and check out my projects to see what I got going on. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. You're going to come to this page right here and just peruse around. All right, guys? See what else we're promoting. All right, so I want to do a quick update on GotBackup, the compensation, the simple way. Okay, I want to explain it real simply because we've been talking about it, but how much can you make? Okay, at the basic bottom level, that's what I want to leave it at. So anyway, if you have not checked out GotBackup, you want to do so. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info right here, guys. Right, click this image right here. You get signed up. But before you do that, you want to go to Sparky first so you can get the discount. That promo ends tomorrow, okay, where you can be a reseller. Guys, they're waiving the $20, so you don't have to pay that reseller $20 annual fee. Become a Sparky member, okay? We'll go over that in a second, but let's talk about that. Folks want to know, well, how do you get paid, or how much do you make as an affiliate for GotBackup? All right. So real simple. I want to talk about it on a simple level, right? So let's take a look here. Hang on. Keep it real simple, right? So GotBackup, customer acquisition bonus, one time plus pure customer recurring customer acquisition bonus. So basic, what is it? 200%. You earn 200% on a $9.97 monthly customer backup cloud storage purchase, the membership, right? So let's take a look at that. We're talking, where is it? I'm going to show you the page. Hold on. Right here, right? So GotBackup offers 6 terabytes of storage, cloud storage, and 6 separate accounts. So you can set up family and friends, 6 accounts for $9.97 a month, okay, with 6 terabytes of storage. Whereas iCloud, Dropbox, those services are charging like what, $9.99 a month for 2 terabytes and 1 account. Okay, so for $9.97 a month, this is how you're going to get paid for as commissions. For a $9.97 a month membership, the company is going to pay you 200%. That's like $19 and something, right? So let's look at it. Pull out my handy dandy calculator. 200% times 9.97 is 19.94. Okay? So that's what you're going to earn. That's pretty decent, guys. Someone signs up with your link, they spend $10 and you earn $19.94. Not bad for a service that everybody needs and an affordable business opportunity that everybody can afford. Okay? Because to be an affiliate or reseller, if you will, is $20 a year the company charges you. So let's just say you signed up today. They still have the promo. Tomorrow it ends. But let's say you sign up after tomorrow, right? You want to be an affiliate because you want to be able to refer this to other people and earn commissions. It will be $20 plus your first month, right? It's every month it's $9.97. So it'll be $9.97 plus $20. So for basically $30, you have a business. You have the service, the cloud service, and you become a affiliate, okay? And you earn $20, pretty much, $19.94. Now, check it out. The second way is you earn 50% if someone decides, hey, I just want the annual. I don't want to have to pay every month. I just want to go ahead and pay this thing for the whole year. $99.97, right? So where is that service, right? See, you come here on this page, well, you'll get it once you go to coffeeandcoins.info. And it shows you, oh, where did it go? Right? See, $9.97 a month or $99.97 a year, and they give you 2 months free. So if somebody comes and they decide, you know what, I'm just going to pay the $99.97. That's what it's saying here. You're going to earn 50% of that. So what's 50%? 99.97. 50% is $49.98, guys. Almost $50 if somebody pays $99.97 up for the year. That's awesome. And they pay out weekly. So I just want to keep it at that level. And that there's so many other ways you can earn. You can check out this. They have this compensation PDF, but I just like to keep it basic and simple. Anything over that is the icing on the cake with a cherry on top. But just keeping it basic. Every $9.97 monthly cloud storage membership you sell, you earn basically $20. For every $99.97 yearly membership you sell, you earn $49.98, pretty much $50. You can't beat that for a service that everybody needs. All right, so just want to share that with you. But when you log into your back office, you can see this PDF compensation plan, and you can go into more great details, or you can jump on that webinar they have on Saturdays. And Tammy, and I think his name is Chris, they do training, as well as those trainings are, you can get access to them and go back and listen to all those. But just the basic level, $20 and $49 over and over in commissions for referring folks to a cloud-based service. Can't beat it. So, with that being said, I have earned a little commission. Okay, I've been in just a little bit, and I received my card in the mail. My prepaid, get the little paper here. My prepaid Visa card. Okay, it comes, you know, in this envelope. Tells you here, prepaid Visa card. All right, so I got mine. I'm gonna cover up my numbers. Just show you, it's this blue card, and it's got GVO on it. Okay. And you've got to activate it when it comes in the mail. But it's a Visa card, and that's what they're going to put your commissions on. Okay. Or you can use Wise as well. Either one of those options from what I've read. I decided on the prepaid card. So I did receive mine in the mail, and I went ahead and activated. And I did earn some commissions, so I can have them just put my commissions on that. All right. So I did a little quick video to show you guys that. So check this out, and I'll be back. All right, guys. I just want to show you. This is what you receive for GotBackup. You can request your prepaid Visa card, right? And they will pay your commissions on your prepaid Visa card, right? As you can see GotBackup. Pay quicker. All right, and here's my card. Of course, it says to activate this card, log in to your commission account, right? All right, so you're gonna get this, and this is how they're gonna pay your commissions for GotBackup. Pretty cool. Go check it out at www.coffeeandcoins.info. Get your account today. Back up your data. It's very, very, very important that your smartphone, your computer, all your devices that have your data on it, your photos, your documents, you want to back them up, and you can get GotBackup for $9.97. Go get it. See you on the inside. Okay, just want you guys to see that. Now, what else is happening here? Well, guess what? On Saturday coming, the owner of GotBackup, Joel, he has created a new funnel. I'm in the GotBackup Facebook group. You can join that, guys, as well. Once you get started, go in your back office and sign up. They've got over 14,000 members. Okay, it's a private group. So he's created this new funnel right here. Check it out. He's talking about it.
Hey guys, you gotta be around next Saturday, the 17th of May. I've been working really hard on this brand new presentation, which is absolutely going to eliminate all the things that people hate about network marketing, which is cold calling, talking to friends, upline sponsors that never answer to you, all of that completely gone. You're going to love this new presentation. It's going to be a brand new funnel that's absolutely going to explode, so you have to be on the call. Any comments, any questions, just post them below here. And yeah, this new funnel is going to rock.
Alright, so that's that, and it's posted in the group, so you can check it out. Alright, and you can tune into this on the 17th. Okay? Alright, let's see what else we got going on. Now, let's talk about one more day that you have where you can sign up with Sparky. Go to www.coffeeandcoins.info, sign up with Sparky there, log into your back office, come here and click Income Streams, and you will see this GotBackup picture here, and you will see my link here. This link is going to get you this discount. Okay, this is real time as I'm talking to you. See, one more day, another amazing opportunity for $9.97 a month. A $20 reseller fee is waived for all Sparky AI members. One more day, so tomorrow is the last day. You see him talking about it here. I'm not going to play it. And it says right here, no reseller fee for Sparky AI members. So no $20 charge. You can actually become a reseller today and just pay that $9.97 to be a customer. Or you can pay the whole $99.97 for the year and be done, but you don't have to pay the $20, guys. That's what this link is going to give you. Okay, go in here. It's going to get you that $20 fee waived. Okay, very important. All right, so that's what this video, this page he made exclusively for the Sparky AI members. Okay, so one more day, lock in, GotBackup and Sparky AI right now. All right, so that's it. Just wanted you guys to be aware of that, and how much you can earn for a service that everybody needs and a business opportunity that everybody can afford. I mean, you can't beat it. Worst case, $29.97 to start your business if you do not sign up before tomorrow. But I highly recommend take advantage of this if you're interested. If you're interested and you're saying, hey, I want to start some type of business opportunity. I've been looking for something. I want something simple. I want something that I can feel good about. I don't have to convince people about. It sells itself. GotBackup. Okay, so again, go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. You're going to come to this page, right? You want to sign up for Sparky first so you can get that discount. You're going to sign up with Sparky by going to coffeeandcoins.info, come to this image right here. Click this image. It's going to take you over to the Sparky page. Sign up there. Once you get there, you log into your back office of Sparky. Click on Income Streams. Come here. You're going to see my link. You're going to come to Income Streams. Click GotBackup tab. Okay? And it's going to open up this. And you're going to see my link here. You click that link, which is going to take you here. And then you're able to get that $20 waived. Okay, again, tomorrow, Friday, it ends. This $20 goes away, and it's going to cost you $29.97 after Friday to get started as a reseller and a customer. Okay? That's it. That's all. Just wanted to keep it short. But folks are saying, well, how much does GotBackup pay for the referrals. So I want to talk about that real quick. All right. So thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.